What's up guys? Today we are going to be installing or trying to install the brand new Bowmar nose button. This seems to be the new hot thing right now. It hasn't been out too long, and I don't shoot with a kisser button, but we're going to try this nose button just to see how it goes. There's a lot of talk going on about it, how everything's going well with it, so why not try to install it? Everything comes in the pack, 2 button sizes, small and big. We'll be doing the small one today because bigger is not always better. Let's get right to it. All right, so I think we are going to try the big one first. I don't know why, we're just gonna try it. That's the one I see everybody using. So this thing just pops right on, supposedly. Yeah, it just pops on. And you wanna put the throat of it towards your peep. So now we got this on, we'll draw it back a couple times and make sure it's where we want it, and we'll tie it in. All right, say you want to put when you're getting it set up on your face, you want to adjust your sight for half the maximum distance you're going to shoot. My maximum distance is 100 yards, so I'm going to have it on 50. That's just right. So now we're going to get back to it and tie this thing in. All right, now that we got it where we want it, let's see if we can tie this thing in. They say tie a restrictor knot in it, constrictor knot, whatever it's called. So this is going to be my first attempt at that. You want to go under through the little slit in the button. Just like that. Now before you permanently tighten it up, draw it back, draw the bow back again, and make sure it's where you want it before you tighten this knot down, because once you tighten this knot down, it's not going to move anymore. All right, now that we got it on here, I'm going to take 2 Allen wrenches and wrap my serving around it, and I'm just going to pull it really tight. They say this material's not supposed to tear, so I got it absolutely as tight as I could get it. Now just take your knife, cut. And burn it down like that. And now what we'll do is we'll go outside and we'll shoot it a few times just to make sure everything is good to go. All right, in the dark, 40 yards, Bowmar nose button. first shot. And that's the first impressions. We'll walk you down here, you can take a look at the target, and that is my short review of the Bowmar nose button. Could be a game changer for sure. Only time's gonna tell, but I'll get out in the daylight and shoot this thing some more on the 3D course and all over and whatnot, and we'll decide if it stays on my bow or not. So let's go check out these arrows. And that's it. One little right, but everything right there in fist size, so we'll call it good. Thank you for watching, and we will catch y'all on the next one.